Continuing to track Hurricane Dorian this morning. The storm hasn't made landfall in the U.S. yet, but its impact is already being felt.
And many travelers have had to change their plans because of this massive storm. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Carolina Cruz is live at Bradley International Airport, where canceled flights have been popping up on those boards. Right, Carolina?
Oh, yeah, a handful of flights have popped up. We spoke with a woman yesterday, and she was at Disney. You can see these Orlando flights are canceled. She got rebooked 5 different times. Her flight was supposed to be for tomorrow, and she said no way. She got out of Florida. She arrived yesterday just in time before those evacuations. And we've also spoken with other travelers here at Bradley International Airport. They've been coming back from Orlando, Fort Lauderdale, South Carolina. They were also feeling fortunate to be back home. Some of them wrapped up vacation early, booked a brand new flight to avoid being in Hurricane Dorian's path.
I'm actually going to call them as soon as I get home and see if we can get our money back. I didn't want to get stuck till who knows when.
The National Weather Service says the storm is expected to slowly approach the eastern Florida coastline later today, while 4 southeastern states have been ordered to evacuate. The reason why we're seeing these canceled Orlando flights this morning is because Orlando International Airport ceased operations as of 2 this morning. And we do want to mention that one of the flights arriving from San Juan, it is delayed by about 40 minutes this morning. The one that is departing to San Juan, though, is on time. For now, reporting at Bradley International Airport, I'm Carolina Cruz, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Carolina, thank you. And of course, be sure to stick with Eyewitness News for the very latest updated information on Hurricane Dorian. You can get updates anytime on the Channel 3 app.